In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can recover lost and saved Word documents. So let's get started. So I have this Word document right here for the sake of example. And then if I'm going to click on this close button, I'm just going to click on don't save. So that is not saved document. But if I want to recover that because I want to edit that document, how can we do that? Go back again in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Now click on the blank document. Then look at the ribbon at the top and you can find the File tab. Click on that. Here you'll find info. Click on that. And here you'll find the option Manage Document. Then click on this Manage Document and here you have this option Recover and Save Document. Okay. So we just need to simply. So there are a lot of documents in here. So we have this one, the story of Snow White, and this is the document earlier for the example that I've shown you, and this is the document that we have not saved. Okay, so we have to double click on it, and there you go. We can now, or we have just recovered the document. And if you want to save this, then we can simply save this. Like click on the save button and save it here. Okay, click on the save option. So that's it. That's how you can easily recover the lost or unsaved Word documents in Microsoft Word. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.